Right, okay, so let's look at what's going on here. Um, Graph again. It says the standard repair time is 24 minutes per watch. So, and you made 31,000 watches. So I expect you, I'm just draw my graph again. I expect you to have spent um, 24 minutes times 31,000 repairs. But I'm going to divide this by 60 minutes because I want this in hours, right? And I get um, 12,400 hours. So here I have 12,400 hours. That's the amount of time you should have spent making 31,000 watches, and you should have spent, if you like, it says here, £12 an hour. So this is what your situation should look like here: £12 an hour times that. So £12 an hour times 12,400 is the amount of money you should have spent on making these watches, which was 148,800. Now, the, like what I did here, you saw me look for efficiency. Here it tells me that labor efficiency is 0, so it means that there's no time difference. I actually did spend 12,400 hours in actuals in real life, in real time. But we paid more, if you like. We paid more wages. So it means that I paid, it says it's because it tells me it's adverse. So I should have spent this. Well, I ended up spending more. So there's a figure, there's a rate here. I'll just call this rate B that I paid at for the same amount of time. So in effect, 12,400, right, times B minus 148,800 is equal to, I paid 3,720 too much, right? Because I mean, there's a number of ways you can look at it, but as long as you can see where we're going here, the key point here is you've spent more than you should have. How much more? Well, you spent 3,720 more than the 148 we were expecting, which is 120. 1200 times B is equal to 3,720 plus 148,800. And that is, let's just add that very quickly. 3720 plus. The good thing is I don't look at the answers when I do this, so they might have a different, it's good to look at different ways of arriving there, as long as you understand, because this is how this is really works. 12,400 B is equal to 152,520, and therefore the time spent, or sorry, the wage rate is therefore, which is B, right, is 152,520 divided by 12,400. That's equal to B, and that comes out at £12.30. Right, and that's £12.30. So you must have spent more. We can see, because if I say this is £12.30, you must have spent 30p more. 30p times 12,400 is equal to 30p times 12,400 is equal to 3,720. Okay, great stuff.